Hello, and welcome to English Podcast Unlimited. This podcast is for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and more joy. I'm Tom, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're talking about something simple but very powerful: how to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they need to move to the UK or the USA to speak English well, but that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't need to study for hours every night. What you need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident using English. So, let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard the word before, maybe you haven't. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple and very powerful. How does it work? You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look at a dictionary. You just copy the sound, like an echo. You try to say the words with the same speed, the same tone, and the same rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. You. I listen to English every day. You. Shadowing helps me speak better. You. Very good. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, it feels a little strange. You might not understand everything. That's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, how it feels in your mouth. If you do this often, even just 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results. Now, let's talk about the main question. How can you practice English every day? Many students tell me, Tom, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to begin. Here are 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every single day in your real life, wherever you are. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you must listen more every day. Not once a week, not only in class, every day. Listening helps you learn new words. It helps you hear the real rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster, and it helps you get used to how real people speak, not just English from textbooks. How can you do it? You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can listen to English music. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can listen to short stories or English news for learners. You don't need to understand 100%. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it's still useful. You can listen while you walk, clean, cook, exercise, or rest. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Make English your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, the next step is to use your voice. Listening is great, but speaking is how you grow strong. After you listen to a sentence or a short audio clip, repeat it. Copy the voice. Match the rhythm. Example: I want to get better at English. Example: I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Example: I'm improving little by little. Do this daily. Repeat the same sentences again and again. You will notice your speaking becomes smoother, your pronunciation becomes clearer, and you feel more confident. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Tip 3. Think in English, one thought at a time. This is one of the biggest changes you can make. Start thinking in English. At first, it's difficult. You want to translate from your native language, but translation takes time and slows you down. So how do we start thinking in English? Start with short, simple sentences. Say them in your mind. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. When you walk outside, the sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog. During your day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. These are small thoughts, but they help your brain connect directly to English. No translation, no delay. Later, try to say them out loud. Just whisper or speak quietly. It's like a daily conversation with yourself in English. Tip 4. Read aloud. Train your speaking muscles. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is better. It helps your mouth, your tongue, and your brain work together. Choose a short, simple text, a children's book, an English story for beginners, a dialogue from a video or podcast. Read it slowly and clearly, then read it again a little faster, then again with more expression. Imagine you are an actor. This helps your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. It's like going to the gym, but for your speaking muscles. Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. Here is something very important. If you want to speak English well, you should not only study English, you should live with English. What do I mean? I mean, English should not just be something you do for 30 minutes on Monday night. It should not only happen in your classroom or your textbook. It should become a part of your real, everyday life, just like your morning coffee or your favorite app. The more you see, hear, and use English in your life, the more natural it will become. Here are easy ways to do this even if you're busy. Change your phone or computer language to English. You look at your screen many times a day. See words like settings, update, and message in English. Your brain will learn them naturally. Write a short diary in English every day, just 3 sentences. Today I worked. I was tired. I ate pizza. This builds sentence skills. Record a 1-minute voice message about your day. Talk about what you did. No one else has to hear it. Listen to yourself and learn. Join an online English community. Use WhatsApp groups, Facebook, or language apps. Write short messages or send voice notes to other learners. Watch short videos, TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, and repeat sentences. Copy how people really speak in fun, 20-second clips. The secret is this: turn small daily actions into English practice. Say good morning in English. Write your shopping list in English. Watch 5 minutes of a video in English. These small actions build strong habits. And strong habits create confident English speakers. So remember, make English part of your life. Let it be in your phone, your journal, your thoughts, and your voice. Let it be part of who you are, not just what you study. When you do this, English won't feel like homework. It will feel like something you live with. And that's when real fluency begins. See you next time.